and welcome to another episode of Free Mail Videos with Nathaniel. Today we will now solve question 1F of MAT Oxford 2012. The question asks find the value of t. Well, actually no, we need to find which range t lands on the number line. So let's draw a number line here. So if t it might be 0, t might be greater than 0, t is lesser than 0, or t is undefined. Okay, so first let's draw a graph of cos x. The graph of cos x looks like this, and we draw the negative function, it looks like this, meaning that it's an even function. To find minus pi over 2 to pi over 2, we just color in this region. That's it. That's simple. So that means this area is positive. Now, if we draw the graph of sin x from pi to 2 pi, and then this is pi, this is 2 pi, and then we screw the area around, we get this, which is negative, but is the exact opposite of the cos x area. Now how about the 1 over cos 3x? Well, if you might know, cos 3x is also called, 1 over cos 3x is also called secant 3x, and its graph looks like this. So we drop a asymptote down at pi over 6 simply because pi over 2 divided by 3 is pi over 6. Since pi over 8 lesser than pi over 6, we can happily screw in this area and we are done. We have now found out that t is lesser than 0. Just for fun, we now calculate this area. Pi over 2 to negative pi over 2 cos x. It's a great chance to flex my integration skills and to show how to integrate trigonometric functions to all of you. The integral of cos x is sin x equals to 1 minus sin negative pi over 2 is negative 1 equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. Interesting, right? Which means that if we want to say 1 plus 1 equals to 2 to a calculus student, we can say this. And then you can put up cos x and do whatever you would like to your own fancy. And I personally don't care. What matters is that I get the answer. So this area is 2, this area is minus 2 as we've seen. But now we will calculate 1 over cos 3x. Actually, what you viewers think? I say we don't bother because this video is going to come to a close and a giant math bot is coming towards me and to check my calculations. So before I run it, everyone, goodbye! Well, it turns out that the math bot is not interested in my calculations. So for those who are interested in integration, we are now going to calculate this. So we can write this as pi over 80 secant 3x dx equals to 1 over 3 secant 3x plus tangent 3x. And don't forget to put in the ln, everybody gets this wrong this time. So pi over 80. So ultimately, you trigonometry students don't need to know the formula for secant 3 pi over 8. But I do, and I am blessed to say that secant 3 pi over 8 equals the square root of 4 over 2 plus root 2. Jeez, sometimes I mix up the secant 3 pi and the secant pi over 8. But anyways, let's move on. So 2 root 2 plus root 2 over 2 squared minus 2 equals to root 2 plus root 2. And tangent 3 pi over 8 is governed by a handy little identity. It's 1 over tangent pi over 8 equals to 1 over root 2 minus 1 equals to root 2 plus 1. So that means this value is 1/3 ln root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus 1. And don't forget to put in the zeros. Minus 1/3 ln 1. So we cancel this out. And we now say that the total area is t is negative 4/3 ln root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus 1. There, I hope I have done a great calculation of the value of the mysterious constant t. And there's another math board coming